We are back. I just finished a weekly recap of the markets. I think you should check that out. Uh, some very interesting setups are being played out uh, many places. But now this time to something very different. I have a good friend, Andy from Finding Finance. You should definitely follow him both here on YouTube, but also here on Twitter, but also on YouTube. He um, he does provide a lot of content, both for newly investors and more investors with more experience. He does this every second day or third day. He makes a video of what he sees on YouTube. He does it both with technicals, fundamentals, macro, overall life advice, and so on, where he just gives his thought on things and just yeah tells what he sees. I will start to do a similar thing. So yes, it's a complete copy. I know, but I think it's a good way to bring out a different view. Well, not a different view, but someone else sharing the same view that I do. But this will only be from the technical perspective. So let's dive straight into it. And yes, follow Andy, Finding Finance, good content. You will not be let down for sure. Okay, I have only a few charts for today, but I will add them up during the week, and then I will in the weekends. I think I will make this Twitter recap, whatever you want to call it. So here we have Tavi Costa, great guy. He really knows what he's doing, and he says that the gold looks to be ready to blaze through this historical resistance and move to substantially higher. I agree. A surge in the metals will likely mark the beginning of a new gold cycle that should be accompanied by a much awaited influx of capital into the mining industry. I agree. Um, he has this sloping down trend line here. I agree, it is there. But ultimately, you want to take out the 2000 and I think it's 75 or so, these highs here. But for now, we have the first time we had a wick, and then we had a wick again, and now we have more monthly closes. Actually, this is the first time we have had monthly closes above these levels here. So this looks really good. Big cup and handle pointing to 3,000 roughly in 2024, maybe 2025, but yeah. Well, 2025 might be too late, but still 24 at least, we will see those prices. So I agree. Gold looks really good here, very constructive. This is the uranium bull market. He says, I'll just leave it here. This is the uh, the uranium spot price going back 50 years, 70, 60 years, whatever it is. It's a long time. As you can see right now, we had a big surge up here, then a long bear market, big surge again in the early 2000s, and then obviously a long-term bear market. This only goes to 2017, more or less. And as you can see, he has added in the red line here, which is the spot price at the moment. So if we can extend this, this would be that we are actually right here on this curve, maybe, of course. But if we were to see a replica, we are in for a big move to the upside in the uranium spot price. And as mentioned, the fundamentals for uranium and uranium spot price hasn't been better right now as it is ever. So we could be in for some fun times here. Okay, we have the S&P 500, the orange, versus net Fed liquidity in the blue. What do you see? And this shouldn't be no surprise to you. If it is, you can clearly see that when the Fed is injecting liquidity, the markets go up. When they don't, or if they reduce the rates that they are putting liquidity into the market, it goes down. I mean, don't fight the Fed, right? It's just, yeah, it is. You can see it right here. It's easy. And I think if you go for a longer term, 20, 30-year long term view as well, you will see the exact same, more or less. So yes. This is the IVM, the Russell, on the verge of a potential massive breakout to the upside if price can get above this descending triangle. And I agree. You can see here the floor, the green, and then we have the downward sloping red channel here. So if we can get above the red resistance and make a high above these two here, then the Russell will join the party in this insane insane bull market we are in. So yeah, this is Krillin, URA, flipped weekly 200 EMA and breakout. The uranium bull run is now on, or is now. And I agree. I really do. Long term, you can see the bear market, the basing, the low in March 2020, big move up, consolidation, breakout right here. Looks absolutely fantastic in my view. So I agree. I agree. And again, I have the 24 level as the confirmation of this breakout. The 24, which is right here, these highs here. That's what you need to look for URA, in my view, 24. Okay. Here we have Nostradamus. Just showing, this is the F3, the FUU uranium miner with a big surge at the end of last Friday. Also breaking out, if you look at the longer term, we broke out of quite a few months actually of a bullish pennant or bullish or bull flag. So this one looks absolutely amazing. I think I posted it on Friday as well. You should check it out. This chart looks insanely good. So yeah, looks nice. And here we have old school AMD, advanced microchip semiconductors. Interesting chart. Will it rejoin the 23 bigger trend to the upside, or will it fill out the gap below? And I said to many people, I think this gap will be closed. It will be closed at some point. When? It's hard to say. But I will say this, if we get back into the blue channel here, then we are in for the gap fill, in my view. So yeah, that's how I see it. But we will close this gap at some point in the future. Absolutely insane. I think the forward PE is like 200 or so. It's insane. But still, the charts never lie. So, okay. Same conditions as in 1983 versus now. Same economy, same market structure, same market participants, same business cycle, same GDP, same macro growth, trades, and same politics. And this is the bull case for the markets, as you can see. Right now, we are squeezing higher. I think we're actually all the way up here. I think this is an old one. But if it were the case, then we are going to blast off in a major blow off to the upside before having a big deflationary bust, maybe. But yeah, this is also a view on things. Many see this as a bull trap. It could very well be, but you also have, some merits to this chart, and we could go way higher. Okay, that's all I had for today. 8 charts or so. I will try to do this weekly, depending on how many charts I find interesting. And hopefully you like this. If you don't, let me know. If you like it, also let me know. I like to look at, I follow as few people as possible, but those I follow, I think, post some very good stuff from time to time. So yeah, that's all I had for today, guys. If you like it, as I mentioned, please comment below. I highly appreciate your support and this journey that I'm trying to get going here on both on Twitter and YouTube. And again, have an amazing evening, and we will talk to you in the next video. Cheers, guys.